What's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair you guys see right here. Oh my gosh, this hair is so full, so voluptuous, so long, so thick. I have worn curly hair like this in the past, but never this full and this thick before, so this is definitely something different for me. But yeah, so let's tell you a little bit more about this hair. So this hair is from Atozwig wig on Amazon. They also have a store, Wigs for You or Cool2day. They have a bunch of different stores, but they're all under one brand. The packaging came like this in this little pink. I love the little pink bag. But you guys, let's get into the wig. Look at these curls up close. The length is perfect for me. Like I said, I like the long hair. And you guys, the lace is in the front. I didn't even cut the lace off at all. I just folded it. But look how good that looks even with me not cutting the lace. Like, what? It has scalp. I did move it to the side just so that it has like a side part to it. And then I tried to make myself like with a little bang, because you guys know I have to have something going on, a little side part. But yeah, I'm going to turn around. It is beautiful curls. And yeah, so far I love it, you guys. Like I said, it's very different from anything that I've worn before. I'm just loving it, you guys. So that's pretty much everything that came in the package, all the specs about it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside of the wig. So here's it out the pack. You can see the lace. Look how good that looks with the lace. Like, that looks so good. Lace around. There's the front. Here's the back right here. See how long it is. See the bottom of it. Really, really nice quality. It's really, really thick. And then if I open it up, you guys can see right here the lace. And then inside the comb. It does have the adjustable straps, and then at the top it has 3 combs on the side, one in the middle, and then another on the other side. Full lace at the top. It's made very well. You guys can see the curl pattern on the inside of it, and I have no complaints about this. This is just amazing quality. So let's get into the specs about this hair. It's so soft, you guys, I just can't. But the specs about this hair: this is a synthetic lace front wig. It is 7A quality. It has a natural look and soft hairs, no tangle, no shedding. Even when I put my hands to it, literally like this, no shedding, no tangling, just amazing. It can be curled, it can be straightened, it can be cut and flat ironed. And this wig, literally, you guys, wait for it, has 2 to 3 years lifespan. If you guys know me, I'd be keeping my wigs for like a year or so, or longer anyways, but this one literally says 2 to 3 years lifetime. Like, that's amazing. It has an average cap size. It can be adjusted to your head size by the adjustable straps to fit all heads. And then, like I said, this hair is the Cool2day best hair for you. And then the item weight is 12 ounces. This has a lace neck cap, which I'll show you guys more in depth when I take the wig off. I'll show you guys how the inside looks, the back, the front, all of that. It does have a lace neck cap, more breathable and adjustable. It is made from premium synthetic fiber. It is heat resistant, like I said. You can straighten it and all of that. It can be curled, flat ironed to any style you love. It's a synthetic fiber wig, so you have to wash it with shampoo and conditioner if you would like, but mostly just shampoo. And they said you can put like baby powder, hair conditioner. It makes the synthetic fiber soft and smooth if you do want to put that on the wig. This is a natural black color. It is around a 350G a set. The length is around 34 centimeters, 13.5 inches. The hairstyle is a curly wig, and it says to use mild shampoo in cold water and clean cold water to rinse it again, and towel dry it. Do not blow dry it. Hang and dry it naturally to avoid frizziness and stuff like that. So it's relatively easy to take care of curly hair. But like I said, if you blow dry or wash it too often, it can ruin the natural curls. So just make sure you be very cautious when washing and taking care of this. You guys, so that's it for this review. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you're interested in purchasing, the link will be in the description box. I love hearing your guys' feedback and comments. I know you guys have over 2,000 subscribers, so I would love for everybody to participate on my channel. I love comments. I love it when people thumbs up the video, share, whatever, things like that. I love it all. So make sure you guys give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, any questions, concerns, leave them in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.